Hello, Bladers. Are you in the market for a new vehicle? Do you have a plan for your next car purchase? Getting a new car is an important financial decision, even more so when you have the luxury of planning out your car purchase ahead of time. Welcome to our Daily Drive. Everyday tips for everyday drivers. Today, we will tackling a very important topic. To some, it may be the second most valuable investment in their lives. We will be talking about 10 important tips to buying a car. When buying a new car, a crucial factor that must be fully considered is the method that you will use to pay for your new car. Number 1. Skip the loan and pay in cash. If it's possible, paying in full for your car using cash can save you a significant chunk of money that you would otherwise spend on interest alone. Additionally, some dealerships also offer cash discounts to customers as well. Number 2. Compare prices at multiple dealerships. If nothing else, shopping around at several dealers will at least give you an idea of what you can expect to get for your price range and an advantage when negotiating too. Number 3. Research your car ahead of time. Before you head out looking for a car, private party or dealership, make sure you know the market value of the vehicles that you want. The easiest way to do this is to research sites like jamesdeacon.ph, Top Gear, Visor or the like for each make and model. You may also want to check out Auto Deal or Motion Car as well. Number 4. Choose used over new. Buying a car that is several years old will give you the opportunity to get more of the features you want at a lower price. Number 5. Don't be afraid to negotiate. It never hurts to negotiate the price of the car, especially if you notice any minor flaws. Most of the time, you can lower the price by simply knowing the value of the car and being willing to walk away if the price isn't right. This applies to both car dealerships and private individuals. Number 6. Use your old car for trade-in credit. Many dealerships will allow you to trade in your old vehicle for a credit toward the new vehicle sale. Some will even accept a trade-in for the down payment. Number 7. Be aware of the entire cost. In order to save money when buying a car, it's very important to make sure you factor in the entire cost. This includes the interest rate, extra features, insurance and registration. Although it may seem you're saving money when you look at the monthly payment, you may be getting charged more once the interest rate is factored in. Number 8. Remain patient in your search. Starting your search with the mindset that you'll drive home in a new vehicle that same day is one of the worst things that you can do when it comes to trying to save money when buying a car. Number 9. Compare financing programs. Just like different dealerships will have varying prices on their vehicles, you will find financing programs that are better than others. And lastly, number 10. Read the fine print on the loan. It's crucial to make sure you won't be subjected to penalties for paying off your car faster. Do you agree with our list? We would love to hear from you. Comment down below. On a final note, it's also important to go to the dealership with a plan. Know ahead of time the type of upgrades you're interested in so that in the excitement of buying a new car you don't allow yourself to agree to unnecessary upsells and add-on packages. Better yet, visit www.blade.ph and look for possible upgrades, compare prices before going to the dealership. Blade Auto Center offers free installation on in-car entertainment, alarm security systems, dash cam and more. You will find it easier to save money when buying a car if you already have a well-thought-out plan in place. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.